So first we discuss what is the Power BI and why use the Power BI. Okay. Now what done with the Power BI? Three questions we are solved this class. First, what is the Power BI? Power BI have a software for data visualization. Data visualization. With Power BI, you have made the attractive dashboard in the few minutes. So before the Power BI, we have made the dashboard with Excel. But Excel take the time. Okay, just like you can see this. This is the one dashboard. Okay, this is the data, and we have created this dashboard. And creating this dashboard in Excel consume the around 3 hours, and also the good knowledge in the Excel. Then you have make this type of the reports. Second thing, in Excel have some data limitations. You have stored the only for 10 lakh the row, the capacity, but maximum 2 lakh, yeah, around 2 lakh data is enough for the Excel. Okay. And sometimes we have not getting the data from the Excel. We have our data stored in the my server, just like SQL, Oracle, SAP, that type of the software. So that time Power BI we have connect that directly to the our databases, offline, online, both of. Okay. So this Power BI we have created the dashboard, and now what type of the dashboard we have created. So yesterday we have also discussed the one dashboard. Now you can go to the Google and search the dashboard Power BI and just click the image. You can got the many dashboard example you have done with the Power BI. So both are the reports created from the Power BI. Okay, and you have created this type of the dashboard in a few minutes. Okay, and now and Power BI easy to learn. Power BI is just like pivot table, right? So you have make the report attractive reports, attractive dashboard, powerful dashboard in minutes with Power BI, and also large with large data. Okay, you can also connect the directly your server, your online services, and you can also publish the report on the web. I think you have the website and you want to publish my report, my website. You have directly connect your website with your Power BI. Okay. So now how to get the Power BI software? For the Power BI software, go to the Google and search the Power BI download. Power BI download. Click there, software Power BI download, and this is the desktop. So Power BI desktop version is the free. Okay. So Power BI have a two type of the console. First, your desktop version like this software, and second, your web console. Okay, web console have also give the free, but some limited feature. Some limited feature. You have make the dashboard. Last night we have created this dashboard. I think you have created the class, but we have make this report. You can see here. Okay, so this is the web console, right? So first we have created the report on the Power BI desktop version, then publish the report. Report will be automatically upload on the Power BI web console, and with web console we have shared the report our team, also share with embed with the websites, and also developing background developing generate the QR code also. So many type of the sharing path. Just like we have created the link, and with link you have access to the report anywhere, like this. Okay, and this feature is not available in the Excel. So Power BI is the very demanding software, right? So back to topic. Web console have a free, but the Office ID you have not signed. The Power BI, Microsoft says Power BI not for the individual, Power BI for the corporates. So when you have tried to sign up in the Power BI, listen, just listen. Microsoft say कि Power BI not for the individual person, Power BI for the corporates, right? So when you have tried to sign up in the Microsoft Power BI website, that time ask the email ID. And email ID accepted only for your company email ID, not a Gmail, Yahoo like this ID. Okay? If you have if you have the your company email ID, you have the office ID. If you have the office ID, you have sign up. But any reasons you have not used the office ID and you have not office ID, that time I have provided the ID for my domain. Okay? Yeah, this is the free. Power BI Web Console also the free, but some limited feature. Okay, you can't share the data and many features will be locked, like game. When you have tried to learn the free game, some feature is the unlocked, some feature is the locked. Okay, it's clear. So now, how can get the Power BI software? So for the Power BI software, click search here and go to the desktop version and do not click the download. When you have clicked the download option, that asks the go to the your Microsoft Store, and you have tried to downloading the Power BI from the Microsoft Store, then very slow and some problem with. So every time you click here download options, okay, and download options, click here, select your language and just click the download. Select your system environment. Just like my system is the 64 bit, so we have select the 64 bit and just download. And we have remember for the Power BI software installation of your PC, your PC have a minimum 8.1 Windows. If you have this 2007 Windows 7, that you can't install your Power BI. Okay, so minimum Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11 may be better, but minimum Windows 8.1, right? So we have download the software, or normally we have installed the software. Just click and install the software. I think you have have an idea about the how can installing the software, right? Okay. So when you have installed the software, your Power BI look like this. But you have asked me what is the topic will cover in this course. So before the going the further, we have discussed the topic. I have shared. Okay. So yesterday, I think I have shared your course outline. Okay. This is the course outline. You have opened this. You can see here. So this is the complete Power BI. course outline. And you have remember this is the minimum topic, not a maximum topic, right?
Mm.
So first, 2 to 30 hours the course durations. You have take the class Saturday, Sunday, around 2 hour class. 2 hour, yeah, 30 hour is the average. Maybe increase and decrease depending the learning style. Okay. So
Do
what
you
it
have
cover?
a project also there?
Yeah, we have give the project also in this course. But just read this course outline. I have explained what topic will be covered in this course. So first we have discussing the Excel part. If you know about the pivot table, slicer pivot table, power pivot table, power query, then okay. Okay, we have skipped this. But you have know about the pivot table in this Excel part because Power BI just like the pivot table. So if you know about the pivot table in Excel pivot table, then you have better understanding in the Power BI. Okay. Then we have start the Power BI, understanding the Power BI tools, installing the Power BI, and Power Query. The taking the time. So rest of the topic around 2 hours. Okay, and rest of the discussing. So under the Power BI tools, installing Power BI, query editors, working data models. We have attached the project file, enter data in Power BI, connect the folder, PDF, and 100 of the databases. Data visualization, we cover the visualization, this is charts, cards, metrics, tables. We also greater than 200 DAX function. DAX function. Okay. So we have calculating the data in the Power BI with DAX functions. Then we have discussed the DAX queries like major calculations and also manage the workspace with just like Web Console. We are discussing also Web Console. Okay. And 10, create the 10 to 15 live data dash. So 10 to 15 the projects. Yesterday you have taken a class. So we have discussing the project. We have make the one dashboard from the data. Okay. Do you understand the course?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have know about the pivot table.
No, not much. Maybe one time I used to access that. Long back.
Okay, pivot table is the basic part of the Excel, and pivot table is needed. You have only learned the Power BI and got the job. This is the some critical part. If you want to getting the job around the data analysis and data visualization, need the Excel also. Okay,
Yeah. Excel, I know. But pivot table, maybe once I used.
pivot table is the basic part. Pivot table is the basic part of
Okay. Excel.
the Excel. So we have sharing the some pivot table videos. Okay, data field classes, databases. So we have sharing the some data also for the practice. Okay, and this is the videos about the pivot table. So we have watch these videos before the next class, right?
Mhm.
And then if you have any problem, we have discussed on this, right?
Mhm.
They are video in English, so you have understand better understand. Now, when you have open the Power BI, you can see here, open the Power BI, taking the some time because Power BI running the slow. Okay, Power BI. running slow. So when you open the Power BI, you got the window. So we have login the Power BI desktop version, then show the this videos type, but you have not login, then show the login windows. Now we have closed this, and this is the Power BI desktop version. You understand? This is the canvas area. We are making a report on this area. Okay. Now this is the visualization. We have choosing the visualization for the our dashboard. Visualization it means charts, and this is the data part. We have getting the column data column for the making the visualization. This is the page one that is dashboard, and we have creating the also more pages and more for the more dashboard, right? Two type the window available. First the desktop view, second the mobile view. If you have making a report for viewing the on mobile, then you have used the mobile interface. Okay, and now we click the desktop, so desktop interface, right? Then three preview is available. First the report view, this is the report view. Second the data view, and third the data model. So what is the data model? So when you have connect the more than one data, that time need the data connectivity. So we have used this model for the data connectivity. Okay, but before the using anything, need to the data, import the data. So we have import the data, hundreds of the databases. Click on the get data, and you can see different more than 100 type of the data is available. But now we have used the Excel data. So before the inserting the data, you have checked the data once. Your data in the data format. You have ensured your data is the data format, then import the data. So before importing the data, you have checked your data once. So this is the data.
Okay.
This is the data. Now this is the report or data. This is the receipt one data. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's checking the data? First, you have check your data starting from the column one, row one, and no any roughly data available in this sheets. Only for data column is available. Just like if we have type here some data here, so this type of the data will be deleted, because if you have the other thing in the sheets after the data have some problem. So if you have check here, if you have data, then remove. Okay. Now you have also check any blanks and no any other formulas like quantity, the number. So ensure that your column have only for contain the number, no any text and no any error containing here. Okay. If you have containing, so problem when you have creating the dashboard. So first neat and clean your data.
It will accept the special character.
No, and just maintain the data type. This is the number, so only have the number. This is the text, so only have the text, right?
Percentage is there, no percentage.
Yeah, percentage is available. This is the percentage, the percentage. This is the date, the date. I said maintain the data type. So if you have the data type, date columns only for date available, nothing else. Have a number, so number available here, nothing else. Have a percentage, so percentage in column, nothing else. And have a have a text, so text available, nothing else. Okay, so maintain the data type, right? Also remove the blank rows. If you have a data, have a blank row in the data, so ensure you delete your data. So neat and clean your data, then go to the Power BI, and you click also here. I click also here,
Mm.
and now you have select your data and okay, open. Wait a few minutes to check in data, importing the data, and all sheets in file. So here we have click here and check the your data, which data we have. import in the Power BI. So importing load is not activated. When you have clicked this checkbox, then load is the activated. Just click on the load and wait a few minutes. Your data will be appear. Okay. So this is the seat one.
Why is the load button?
When you have click, when you have import the data, then select and select your sheets and click on the load.
Oh,
Okay. First, select your sheet, click the checkbox in the sheet, and then click on the load.
mm,
I think we have lead from the model, and now again we have import. You can see.
export output.
Select the data and open. Wait a minute. Now this is the load button. Okay. I mean, if this load is not activated, when activated, when you have select the data, you select the seat, show the data, but my load button is not activated. When you have clicked the checkbox, then load button is the activated. So we have the load and transform. So when you have clicked the transform, this data go to the Power Query editor. What is the use of the Power Query editor? Before the importing the data, I want to some deletions, some updations, some calculations, any type of the editing in data. So go to the transform data. But my data is okay, no need to any addition deletions. Then we have just click the load. When you click the load, your data will be appear. So you can see here, your all field is available. You want to see the data, so go to the table view. Okay, and now just click here, and you can see the your data. And also you have changed here data something data. Not data, just like the data type, some editing the data. Just like this is the not percentage format. So we have click here and click the percentage form. Convert the percentage, right?
yeah.
So I want to some also call delete the column. Right click here, delete the model, delete from the model, delete column. Okay.
Mm,
So you can also add the new column, calculate the column, or also your change the type. You can't change anything. Just like I want to change the 2020, 12, 21. So you have no access to changing your data. Why? Because this data linked to your source data. If you want to change, then go to the source and verify the change and then refresh this, then your data will be updated. Okay.
mm,
So you want to edit your data. So Power BI not allowed to edit any data. You have go to your source and change the source, then update here. It is
okay.
clear?
So new Excel sheet.
Yeah. Where is your source? Not a Power BI not connected only for the Excel. Power BI connected the hundred of data types. So we told your source. Okay.
Mm,
So this is the data. So before the starting your making the report, need to understand the data. This is the sales data. This is the sales date, the sales store, sales officers, sales sold quantity, the rate, total amount, the profit margin, the total profit, and the product name. Target will be decided, the month of payment, and month of your sale year. Okay. So I want to create some the visualization here. So understand the data and understand your need. Then go to the your dashboards, right? So we have click here and now click the gut chart and now go to the quantity, put here quantity, right?
Mm.
But problem is that I want to compare my quantity to my target, achieve target. So sum of the total target. So we have put the total target in the maximum value, just like pivot. Okay.
Mm.
Now we have also select this here, and now we have put the our revenue. It means amount here. Okay.
Mm.
Now need to add the title because every report have a title. So you want to type anything here, need to insert text box. Go to the insert menu, click the text box, and we have type here the your title. Just like we have type here sales dash dashboard year 2024. And we have removed two locations, increase the size which area we have dependent, then select the text and increase the text size according the requirement, the middle and underline. You can also change the color and also bold here. Okay.
Mm.
Now we have some show the some data here. So click here, right here. I want to show the some data here. Just like we have put the data, the ID, or show the all data. So ID and ID is calculated. So I don't want to calculate. I want to show the every ID here. So click here and don't summarize. Don't summarize. You can see check your calculation, but don't summarize. Then uh, product quantity target rate MRP amount and profit. Okay. So I want to show this data. This is the all data. This is the all data. This is not summarized data. Every transaction data show here. Right. Now I want to show the sum statics, some totaling. So just like click here and change the size, and we have put the total quantity cell lower. Okay. Also click the card, select here. So this is the very simple. You want to apply the this type of the visualization on the Excel, need to formula, but is no formula, just drop down, just
Mm.
drop down. So we have, I want to the total amount here, so put the amount. I want to total, wait a minute, this is not a uh, hmm. I want to totally. So if you want to show any totals, need to use the card. You want to show the table, need to use the table, right?
Yeah.
And now here is the total profit. Now I want to gut chart. Sorry, not a gut chart. We have showed this chart. I want to show the our profit percentage according my amount. So we have put the amount on the maximum. So 122 billion is the sale and 61.75 is the total sale. But I want to show you a percentage. How many percent our total profit, right? So you can also change your visualization format. First, I want to change the color. I want to have the green color. Okay. So go to the color and fill color. We have changed more color. Go to the green. You can also change your visualization, right? Then data levels. Okay. Target data levels. Lot value. नहीं, is the data level. Okay. Oh, here is no any option to convert. Okay, then this is not option. So need to the calculations. So when we have calculated, now we have ignored it. Okay, and now we have so also the some charts. You can use the this chart just like we have this charts, and now we have put it here and show the product category, product and total revenue, a total quantity which you want to show. Also, I want to show the contribution of uh, store. Yes, the contribution of the let's say contribution of the store. For the total quantity. Okay. Now I want to show the our product wise flow. So I want to just every store achieve the target and achieve that. I want to check so here achieve the target. Okay. Now we have put the store here and put the quantity and put the target. Right. This report will be finished. Now, this is the overall report, but sometime we need to check the particular particular KPI reports. Okay, particular legend reports. So I want to choose which I want to choose the 2024 yearly reports. I want to choose the monthly reports. That time we have used the slicer. Okay, in the slicer we have put the year here, right? And but slicer is the start to end, but I want to just like tiles, like buttons. Then go to the slicer setting. We have changed the tile. Okay. Also, again we have report this and select this and put the month and go to the slicers settings tile. And you can also change the color here, value, and change the color to green, blue. So this is the font color. I want to white and background color is the green, blue. Okay. You can also change this type, this color. So background color blue. You can also change the color here. Now this we have just click here. Our all report is the converted. Just like 2020 the January data. So Jan. So here you can see here only for January Jan report will be show here, right?
Mm.
And now we have making this report. Need to save this. So before the public, you have said press the Control S and save report. And save. Okay. And now we have clicked on the publish and select the My Workspace. Within a few seconds, this report uploaded on the web. But before the upload publishing, you need to ID and you have login the ID in the Power BI desktop version. Then your report will be published, otherwise not published. That you have just checked this report on the Power BI. So go to the Power BI, your web console. Go to the workspace. We are uploading the workspace. Click the workspace. Now this is the 8 a.m. S. Yeah, this is the report. This is the data model. This is the report. When you have click here, the report be open in the Power BI web. Right? I want to share this report. Give it a share your team. Also export in the power. If we click the Excel report, then this report all convert in the Power pivot table. And also you have click here the PowerPoint. This report go to the Power BI as an image, as a live data, as a PDF also, and also you have shared the web. So we have click the web on the publish, the continue, the publish, and now we have clicked this link, and anywhere we have opened this link, just enter. You can see the report on the web, the live, and every filtrations, everything will be working properly. You can open, try to open this report. I just share this link. Okay. So this is the Power BI. You can see we have created the this report in few minutes. I think 10 to 10 minutes is the hardly. But you have tried to make same report on the Excel need minimum 3 hours and also need the good knowledge on the Excel. But in Power BI, this is the day one class. We have just drop down. You understand. So you can start the making the report from the day one in the Power BI. Okay.
Mm.
So I have shared the data